Hello student. Moving to the next session, the topic is correlation and regression. The question is, in a bivariate distribution, it is found that standard deviation of x is equals to standard deviation y, and the acute angle between the lines of regression is tan inverse of 3. Find the correlation coefficient. So moving to the solution area, if what is that? If theta be the acute angle between the lines of regression, we have, so in last video we had seen tan theta is equals to standard deviation x, standard deviation y divided by standard deviation x the square plus standard deviation y the square into 1 minus r square divided by r. Next, by data, in data it is mentioned, so acute angle, so theta is equals to tan inverse 3, or we can write tan theta is equals to 3, and they mention standard deviation of x is equals to standard deviation y. So call this as equation 1. Next, hence equation 1 becomes, you have to substitute these given data. So tan theta is, it is given, tan theta is nothing but 3. 3 is equals to x, standard deviation of x, and standard deviation of y is nothing but again standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation x the square plus standard deviation of y square is nothing but standard deviation of x square, and this one 1 minus r square divided by r. So this becomes standard deviation x the square divided by standard deviation x the square, standard deviation of, so it is standard deviation of x square, and this one, so it becomes 2 into standard deviation of x square in bracket 1 minus r square, as it is divided by r. Here 3 is there. Now cross multiply 3 into 2 is 6, and this r, 2r into 3, 6r is equals to 1 minus r square, 1 minus r square, this gets cancelled. So 1 minus r square, that is r square plus 6r minus 1 is equals to 0. So it is r square plus 6r, in this shifted minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, to find r, we can apply here. So quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. So to find x, it is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, standard formula, you know that. So x is equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus, so here in place of x, r is equals to, so it is minus b means minus 6 plus or minus in the square root of b square is 36 minus 2ac, 2 into 1 minus, so it is 36 So it becomes 36 plus 4. So it is 4 AC, 4 into A into C, 4 into A into C, 4 AC. Yes, it is 4 AC minus 4 AC. Here minus is there. That means it is a 4 total divided by 2 into A. So A is constant 1 here. So it is minus 6 plus or minus square root of 40 divided by 2. This is equals to, so minus 6 plus or minus 4 tens are 40. Square root of 4 is 2. Inside square root of 10 divided by 2. This is equals to minus 3. 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 get cancels, plus or minus square root of 10. So that is R is equals to plus 0.1623, or because square root of 10 is 0.1623, sorry, 3.1623. here minus 3 there, 3 minus 3 get cancelled, 0.0, or if it is minus then minus 3 and here again minus, so it is minus R is equals to minus 6.1623. Since R lies between minus 1 and plus 1, so mod of R is, so it is mod of R is less than or equals to 1. That means R lies between 1 and minus 1. The required R is equals to, so it is definitely 0.1623. So R is 0.16 because R lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So it doesn't exist here. So final answer is R is equal to 0.1623. I hope you understood this problem.